Hi, welcome to the yoga. I'm teacher Joel. It's nice to have you here. Let's get started. Come to the front of your seat with your feet firmly planted on the ground. This is constructive breath. Hands together, under your chin. We're going to breathe in and out, raising and lowering our elbows. Deep breath in. And exhale. Very good. Do you ever feel excited? What does it feel like inside of your body when you're excited? You might get butterflies in your tummy, or feel like you have the wiggles or the shakes. Maybe you even want to shout or sing. Do you ever feel worried? What does it feel like inside of your body when you're worried? Butterflies, but they might feel different than the kind of butterflies when you're excited. Or when you're worried, you might scrunch your brow because you're thinking hard about something. And so your face might feel different. And again, you might shake or feel like you need to shout. When we do yoga, we're connecting our breath and our minds and our bodies. And it's helping to give us the tools to calm ourselves when we have these feelings. And inside of our bodies, we're able to feel relaxed and at ease. Let's begin with our yoga poses. Hands on your knees and up out of your seat. Today, we're starting with the mountain pose. Remember this? Think of yourself as a mountain, big and heavy, connected to the earth at your feet, but tall. You have a string from your head up into the clouds. Stand tall and breathe deep. If your feet are apart, can you move them a little closer together and still stay balanced? Let's give that a try. Deep breath in, big exhale. Good. Go back to wide feet. The next pose is called blown palm. Like a palm tree. We're going to bring our arms up and then we're going to wave them back and forth, slowly and with control. Follow after me. Breathe in, grab your wrist with one hand, and pull and stretch. Exhale. Back up. And switch sides. One more time. Inhale. Pull, stretch, and exhale. And the other side again. Very good. Back to mountain, standing tall. Let's make our way to the back of our chairs for warrior one. Now, both hands on your chair for balance. We're going to begin by stepping back and turning that foot out. Now, lean into that front knee. Bend in your knee. Keep your heels on the ground here and your back leg straight. Now bring one arm up above your head. Take a breath here. When it's safe for you and you're balanced, try bringing your other hand up above. 2 breaths. Now we'll come out of the pose the same way we went in. Hands down and step up. Good. Let's do the other side. Step back, turn your foot out, straighten that back leg and lean into that front knee. My heel comes up off the ground here because, well, it just does. but we all do yoga our way, and it's okay. Ready? One hand up. And when you're ready, bring up your second hand for 2 breaths. Very good. Out of the pose, the same way we went in. Step up. Now from here, we're going to right tree pose. You're standing in mountain, firmly planted to the ground. Now can you shift your weight to one side and kickstand your other foot? I have all my weight over one side and I'm balanced. And once I'm sure of myself, take a deep breath and raise my arm. Now, if it's safe for you and you're balanced, can you bring your other arm up? Ooh, this is hard for me. 2 breaths here. Whew. Good. Back down to mountain. Let's do the other side. Okay. Kickstand your heel onto your leg. All of my weight is centered over this foot. And one arm up. Second arm up and 2 breaths here. Good. Our next pose is Spinal Wave. We're going to use the chair. Stand to the side of your chair with your knees bent and plant your hands onto the seat. We're going to stretch our back a little, starting with our chin to our chest and our back arched like this. Take a breath and exhale. Now look forward, extend your heart, and lengthen your spine. Good. Let's go back again. Chin to your chest. And lengthen your spine. One more time. Chin to your chest. And lengthen your spine. Very good. Back into mountain pose, feet firmly planted on the ground and standing tall. Let's do 2 breaths here. Now we'll take our seat in our chair for the last 2 poses today. Come to the front of your chair with your feet firmly planted on the ground. This is called easy pose. It'll be a nice little quick rest for us after doing those standing poses. Okay? Hands on your knees. Chest high and proud. Take 3 breaths here. Feels good. Lastly, we're going to do a twisting pose from our chairs, the seated twist. I want you to do this slowly, making sure that you don't twist too far. Keep your bottom on the chair, just how it is now. Hand on your opposite knee. Your other hand goes behind you. Turn your body and look over your back shoulder. Remember to breathe. 2 breaths here. And we'll do the other side. Come out slowly. Opposite hand to your knee. Other hand to the back of your chair. Turn your body and look over your back shoulder. 2 deep breaths here. And come out slowly. Good job. We're now going to rest and relax for our last pose on the floor. Slowly make your way down to the floor in front of your seat, all the way to your back. Now, can you bring your feet up under your knees? Let your feet separate apart and your knees fold in together. This is constructive rest, and we're going to stay here and breathe. You can keep your eyes open or close your eyes, whichever is most comfortable for you. Take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. As if you're falling asleep, let go of all thoughts. Just feel your breath. I'll wait for you to settle, sigh, and melt and release any wiggles, movement, and tension you have in your body. And with every breath, you become more and more relaxed. Great. I'm going to take you through a progressive relaxation. When I call out a body part and say inhale, I want you to tighten only that body part. And when I say exhale, relax that body part. Beginning with your feet and only your feet. Inhale. Tighten your feet and only your feet. Exhale. Release and let it go. Bring your awareness to your legs, your shins, your calves and your thighs, and your hamstrings. Inhale and tighten your legs. Exhale, release and let go. Good. Bring your awareness to your bottom, your low belly and your low back. Inhale and tighten. Exhale, release and let go. Bring your awareness to your upper chest, your upper back, in between your shoulder blades and your shoulders. Inhale and tighten. Exhale and release. Bring your awareness to your arms, your forearms and your biceps. Inhale and tighten your arms. Exhale and release. Bring your awareness to your hands. Make two tight fists. Inhale and tighten. Exhale and release. Bring your awareness to your face. Pucker your face, your eyes and your nose and your lips. Inhale and tighten. Exhale and release. Now bring your awareness to your entire body. Inhale and tighten your entire body. Exhale and release. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale out of your mouth. Now we'll take a pause here. Relax and rest. Nothing is tightened. Your entire body is relaxed and released. It's time to come back to the room. Wiggle your toes and your fingers. Take any last stretches that feel good for you. Slowly make your way back up to your chair in a comfortable seated position. I'm Teacher Joel. Thank you for joining me in my yoga practice today. I'll see you next time.